It will be very deplorable condition, very unfortunate condition. We probably, you see, we as a doctor, we as a hospital, we are supposed to give life. If we cannot give them oxygen even, what is the situation? When patient comes to, patient will die. Patient will die.
Sunil Sangar, CEO of Shakti Mukund Hospital in Delhi, broke down as he spoke about the shortage of oxygen in the hospital. After reining in the spread of COVID cases to less than 10,000 per day towards the end of January, India is now staring at an abyss with new infections per day crossing 3 lakhs, a world record. Even as hospitals were struggling to accommodate patients, a severe shortage of oxygen for medical needs is now threatening to be the proverbial nail in the coffin. Sunil Sangar's lament is being echoed by many. India contained the spread of virus to less than 10,000 towards the end of January this year, but across the world there were clear signs of a severe spread as the second wave hit. Despite the signs calling for guarded measures, India has been completely caught off guard as the virus spread like wildfire yet again. Even as hospitals ran out of beds, oxygen shortage was a doom lying in wait. Healthcare Ministry gave assurances even as clarion calls for oxygen rose from hospitals. Finally, the court stepped in, furious at the centre's inaction. India's current oxygen production capacity is 7,127 metric tons. Of the total 7,127 metric ton oxygen, 2,500 metric ton is used by the industries that are exempt from the ban. This effectively leaves 4,600 metric ton for medical use. The centre came out with an order prohibiting oxygen supply to all industries barring 9 from April 22nd. This time, the Delhi High Court intervened. The court also questioned why the centre was waiting till 22nd April to prohibit industry usage of oxygen. The centre then revised its ban from April 22nd to April 18th. But despite the ban, the situation is still dire. When India's medical oxygen requirement was 3,842 metric ton, active COVID cases were 12.64 lakh. Today, that number has almost doubled to 24.28 lakh. On April 21st, the centre informed Delhi High Court that the daily demand for medical oxygen has risen to 8,000 metric ton. India's current reserves of 50,000 metric ton will barely cover 2 to 3 weeks based on current demand. Despite assurances from the centre, the oxygen demand is already outstripping supply. Even if the entire oxygen production is diverted for medical use, it still falls short of demand. With cases increasing at an alarming rate, the situation in India is very grim. Shortage of supplies has also led to blame games between Delhi and Haryana.
मैंने हरियाणा के जो प्लांट्स हैं उनके ऊपर अधिकारियों को बिठा दिया, पुलिस को बिठा दिया कि पहले हम हरियाणा की जो सप्लाई है वो पूरी करेंगे, क्योंकि हम पर ये भी दबाव डाला जा रहा है कि हम दिल्ली को दें। अगर हमारे पास बचेगी हम देंगे, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
अगर केंद्र सरकार द्वारा कल बढ़ाए गए कोटे को छोड़ भी दें तो कल तक 378 मीट्रिक टन दिल्ली सरकार का कोटा था। इस 378 मीट्रिक टन में से उत्तर प्रदेश और हरियाणा के अधिकारियों के और वहां की पुलिस की दादागिरी की वजह से केवल 177 मीट्रिक टन ही कल उठ पाया है।
The shortage has also led to other unwanted disasters. 24 COVID patients died after a leak in an oxygen storage tank. Unidentified people looted oxygen cylinders from Damoh Hospital in Madhya Pradesh. If not managed quickly and efficiently, India is staring at a collapse.